Moshi Moshi! Hello everyone there in the Philippines. Hindi po ako Hapon, mukha lang po akong Hapon. And I'd like to congratulate my beautiful, my lovely, and very, very kind sister, Tina and Ace. I wish you all the best. And alam ko naman, hindi mo pababayaan si Tina, Ace. At sa pag-uwi ko, gusto ko may pamangkin na ako. At ako yung ninong, ha? Hindi man ako physically nandyan, pero I hope itong song ko para sa inyo, mafe-feel nyo na nandyan lang ako. And I want to dedicate this song for Tina and Ace. Mahal ko kayong dalawa. And see you when I go home. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around in your arthritis, babe. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I get your medicine when your tummy aches. Beautify the furnace breaks, so it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coats when you are cold. I need you, I feel you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you have too much to drink, so it could be so nice growing old with you. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin, hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kung mabuti na ang buko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mga